This is the Sentry Mini ADS-B receiver we purchased for use with ForeFlight on our iPad and iPhone. A very affordable receiver for only $2.99 at Sporty's Pilot Shop. It's small, portable, and convenient. A great addition to anyone's flight bag. The Sentry Mini has subscription-free and complete ADS-B weather, ADS-B traffic, and a built-in GPS. It has two light indicators, one showing that you're getting ADS-B reception and the other showing good GPS reception. The Sentry Mini can handle up to 5 devices via Wi-Fi, allowing a co-pilot and/or passengers to join in on its features. The Sentry doesn't have a built-in battery, so it requires a separate power source to operate. It also doesn't provide AHRS. It's powered by a USB connector cord that plugs into any USB source, like a USB cigarette lighter plug or a backup battery. This flight gear backup battery has some handy information on the back, such as airport traffic light signals, an emergency engine checklist, and some important transponder codes. Installation is simple. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe.